Hi there. Today we're going to look at how to add, edit, or delete a board within Pinterest. Pinterest is a social media site that utilizes rich pictures and images to attract audiences. Let's get started. So to add or edit a board within your Pinterest account, go ahead and click on your picture right over here on the upper right corner of the screen, and you're going to see the stuff that you have under your account. So as you can see, I have 0 boards and pins, 0 likes, 0 followers, but I'm following 27 people. So right now, to get started, let's go ahead and create a board. A board is basically sort of like an album where you can upload stuff onto or upload pictures. So click on create board. Basically it asks us for certain information like the name of the board. Let's say I wanted to upload pictures of random stuff. Type on a quick description of what it contains. So photos of anything and everything. And category is a drop down that allows us to select certain categories of what that board is going to be all about, or what this album is going to be all about. So we have a bunch of categories here: animals, pets, architecture, art, celebrities, etc. So let's say I want it to be under photography. Adding a map is sort of like making it searchable within Pinterest. So if it's going to be random photos, you can have that mapped and added to the Pinterest network as searchable. You can have it as secret and have that private collection kept within your account. You can also add collaborators or people who you can give authorization to upload stuff on this board of yours. So in my case, I can actually build a board of photographs and have people, or I can ask people to add rich content onto it for online internet marketing purposes. So afterwards, after filling out the required information, we can go ahead and click on create. And if everything goes well and if you didn't miss any required information, it's supposed to create that board for you. And you can start uploading and filling it up with rich content. Now, the really cool thing that you can do in Pinterest is, from the name itself, pin, you can actually pin pictures from other users within your network. Let's say you're trying to follow a certain personality or celebrity, or boards from certain categories. You can actually pin pictures that you sort of like having them favorites or adding them to your favorites. You can actually pin them to the board that you've just created, which is actually cool, rather than having to download the pictures within the album of that certain person that you're following. You can actually pin it directly to your board rather than downloading and uploading it to your collection. So after creating my board, we can have it. You can see it right here. So I still have 0 uploads onto it. Let's go ahead and try to upload a picture under this board. So right here, as you can see, I've already uploaded my first image under my board random. So uploading an image is simply dragging the image under that board that you just created. Now, another option for us how you can fill your board with media is we can go ahead and click on home, clicking on the Pinterest icon over here, and select any, depending on who you're following and the network that you're connected onto. Network meaning then the people you're connected onto. You can actually pin an image on your board. So it's sort of like having it favorites, or having it under your favorites, or sort of like sharing it on your personal board. When I click on pin it, it will ask me where I want to pin this image. So as you can see, I can pin it under random, or I can create a new board for it, and it will ask me the same information like the name, if I want it to be secret, or if I want to add access to people for it to upload information into. So let's just go ahead and have it pinned under random, and afterwards it gives me the notice that it has been saved to random. If I click on that one, I can see that the image has been added to my collection. This is the first image that I've just added, and this is the second image I've shared. Now, for editing my board and for deleting it, same process goes. Just click on your name right here, or your main menu, and click on edit the board. So go ahead and click on edit on your board. So it would allow us to add information, edit your description, edit the name of the board, have it categorized under a different category. You can even add a cover photo under it. So if you can select it from one of the pictures that you have uploaded. So let's make it this picture of Marvel superheroes. I want it to see Thor and Superman, so save changes. Or I can go ahead and delete the board altogether if let's say for some reason that I don't want to retain those pins or those images and I want to start over. I can go ahead and click on delete, and it's going to delete the board altogether.